Good morning everyone. So this video is focused on the operations of sets. So first we have the union of sets. So actually there are different operation sets, but unahin muna natin yung union of sets. So by definition, union of sets is set of all elements that belong to the given set. So by notation is denoted by first set, union, and the second set. So this is the symbol of the union of set, which is the curve opens upward. So because repeat, it is a set of all elements that belong to the given set. So in short, this is the combination of two sets or combination of different sets. So that is the meaning of union of sets. We have here example. So first example we have in this set A. As we all know that in writing set we use to write in a capital letter, and we have the braces. So in set A we have the counting numbers less than 11, and in set B we have the even numbers less than 11. So first, in writing the set, we are going to have the roster method or the listing method. So we're going to list all the elements in set A and the elements in set B. And the second, we are going to illustrate in the Venn diagram. So let us first go to the roster method. So in roster method, we have set A is equal to the counting numbers less than 11. As we all know that counting numbers or the natural numbers are the numbers that begins with 1. As we count, we begin in counting in number 1. So we have 1, we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the set A is the counting numbers less than 11. So that is the roster or listing method in set A. And set B, again we are going to write in a capital letter or the uppercase letter, and then equals followed by the braces. So open brace, even numbers less than 11. So we're going to start with number 2. We have 2, 4, 6, we have 8, and 10. Because these elements are the numbers that are less than 11. So next, in identifying the union of sets, we're going to illustrate using the Venn diagram. So in Venn diagram, we are tend to use or write in a rectangle, which is the interpretation or the symbol for the universal set. We're going to put capital U. Ibig sabihin, that is universal set. All the elements that belong to the universal set are under the letter U. So we have set A. Meron tayo dito ng circle. We have A. So this is the counting numbers less than 11. So we have numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that are the elements of set A. And in set B, we have the numbers or even numbers less than 11. So we have to write 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So, but notice that in set A and in set B, there are common. So, sa set A, common is 2. Set B, 4 is also common. Also 6 in A and B, and also 8. We're going to make it a another diagram to show or represent the two sets. So this one, this is A, and this is B. Yes. To show that the two sets have elements in common. So what are the common? We have two elements 2. So instead na ilagay ko siya sa A and B, ito na sa gitna. Kasi this is the common sa kanilang dalawa. Common sa two sets. We have 4. Kasi as you observe, number 4 is also common. We're going to write this up in the center. And what else? We have number 6. We have 6 and 6. So we're going to erase 4 and also 6. I-erase natin yan kasi ibig sabihin yung mga elements are in the middle because that elements belong to set A and set B. And also we have number 10. So that are the common elements from A and B. So instead we're going to remove 10. So we're going to write 2, 4, 6, and 10. Ibay na po pala isa yung number 8. So we're going to remove again number 8 dito sa dalawang set. So instead, ito na sa gitna. So let us further make adjustment to our set. We have A, we have B. So ayusin nila natin yung panghalagay para mas maganda siyang tingnan. Common sa kanilang dalawa is 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So dito is 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 at 10. Oh, sorry, 9. So this is the way we represent the sets A and B in a Venn diagram. Ibig sabihin yung union, para yung shaded part, this is the universal set, this is set A, this is set B. So yung common sa kanilang dalawa is this one. The combination of the two sets. So in writing the union of the two sets, we are going to write our final answer. We have A union B, because this is the symbol for union, the curve that opens upward. So A union B equals all the elements that are in A and elements that are in B. So combination of the two sets. We have, I'm going to write this up. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, we have 9, and we have 10. So, as you notice that in set A and set B, the two sets that are common to those sets, mga numbers na even, so instead na yung A and B are having two elements that are both the same, so wala po tayong repetition na ilalagay dyan because the rule in writing the union of sets, hindi na po maulit yung elements, but instead once mo lang siya ilalagay. Kaya ang union of A and B are the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that is the union of the two sets, union of A and B. Now, in the cardinality of sets that we are going to represent, we have A or N. This stands for the cardinality number of elements in the two sets, or the union of two sets. The cardinality of A union B, you are going to just count the number of elements. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So there are 10 elements. The cardinality of union of A and B are 10. So that is the first operation of sets. So later on we are going to tackle about the intersection of sets.